Hot topics. What is the purpose of them, and why in God's green earth do I do it? Do I do it just for doing it? Nope. This is what we're going to talk about today is the hot topic of today. What compliments did clients receive from their friends, their family, their their circle, etc., because of the amazing work that you did? And let's go into it. All right, this is really important, and let me tell you why I come up with these hot topics and why it's for you. Is I see a lot of posts that are being done out there, and a lot of estheticians are talking about come in for a facial, come in, here's a dermaplane, here's the dermaplane is great, your skin's gonna look smooth, right? That is probably not the best way to say it, and let me tell you why. Is people want a dermaplane? Why? I want you to get down into the root of of do people want a dermaplane? Ask yourself that question. Does somebody want a dermaplane? Does somebody want to come to your studio and let you put a blade on their face so you can scrape and scrape and scrape, right? Off the dead skin and all the other stuff, right? Does that sound fun to anybody? It's like, woo, I can't wait to get my face scraped. Probably the answer is no, right? Maybe there's a few that are just slightly weird, and that's okay. You can be weird. I encourage it. That go, I love the feel of a blade to my face. Just saying. So hey, to each their own. I'm not hating. I don't hate. Collaborate. But the folks do not want a dermaplane. What they want is smooth skin. Yes, yes. There's an old saying out there, and again, I've been in the sales world for a long, long time. That, like for example, if you got a drill to drill a hole, in fact, I got one back there. I should probably get it, but too lazy. Uh, People don't want a drill; they want the hole, right? So if they could get the hole without the drill, they wouldn't need the drill. If they could get smooth skin without the dermaplane, they would go for the smooth skin, right? So understand that it's not about the dermaplane, it's the result that they get. So they get smooth skin. You're with me so far? So let's just say with the dermaplane, they get the smooth skin. You're scraping off the dead layers of skin, so it's smoother. Their makeup's going to sit better. It's better for product penetration for your skincare products that they're using, that will be able to better absorb in their skin, et cetera, et cetera. All those good things. Remove the vellus hair. Uh, all that is good. But at the end of all of that, what they want is to feel beautiful, right? For not only themselves, but let's just say they're walking out and about. They're out and about, and they run into an old friend after they just got your dermaplane service, right? And the friend goes, "Oh my God, girl, you look freaking amazing. Did you get some work done? Because your skin looks gorgeous." Tell me, did that just make your client's day? Right? So it's not about so much of some of these things. They're doing it because they want more confidence. So they got this compliment, they got more confidence. Yes. They got this compliment, they feel more beautiful. Yes. If they had insecurities, they got this compliment, they feel a little less insecure. Yes. So the whole beauty part, they either want there's some common psychological things that these fall in. People either want to feel loved, they want to feel accepted, they want to feel like they're contributing, or whatever it may be reason, right? So when they got this compliment, they feel more loved. And a lot of the times that's what it is. It's like, if you break down what we want, it's a couple of things. I just want to feel more loved. I want to be able to contribute more. I just want to feel like I belong. And these things are part of that, not to get too deep into that. So and that's why the focus of today's hot topic, and yo, please, add to this, because this is gonna help you. I do this because I want it to, first of all, of course, I'm kind of curious, because as I write things and stuff like that, I'm like, oh, how would I say this better so it'll appeal to clients? Well, it's the same thing for you. Like for example, let me just find Let me find one here that I kind of like. So, hey, hey, come in for a dermaplane. You're gonna leave looking so beautiful, and your skin's gonna be so smooth that if you next time you go to your dermatologist is gonna say, "What are you doing to your skin? Because it looks so radiant, and all your breakouts are gone. What's going on?" In fact, that derm might even refer their wife to you, right? Or you know what I'm saying? So you want to use these words where someone got a dermaplane from you, right? They got this beautiful, smooth, clear skin, right? And their friends are going to be wondering, "Oh my God, what's going on?" Right? It's like, "Hey, do you want to be the only the gal in your group that doesn't use filters?" Go with this dermaplane. We had so many clients that just stopped using filters for their selfies because their skin was so good, and all their friends are like, "Hey, what filter did you use?" And she's like, girl, no filter, natural." Right? So the reason I put these questions out there is to help you with your content. So don't just talk about the dermaplane. Don't just talk about the facial. Don't just talk about the peel. Don't just say, "Hey, come in for a facial, 50% off." Be like, "No, come in for a facial. Your skin is gonna look so beautifully gorgeous that when you go out, I am not responsible if you get hit on by 50 men. I'm sorry. At Wick Aesthetics, right? We are not responsible if too many men start sliding into your DMs. I don't want you to start complaining to me because you look so beautiful, right? So you talk about the problem is actually like a good thing, right? And like that. So talk about what people, the results, the things that people might say about them. Go, you're going to be walking down the street, and people are going to be wondering, "Did she get some work done? Oh my God, how is she looking so beautiful? What's up with this? Hey girl, what makeup do you use?" "Oh, I'm not using any makeup today." Your friends' jaws will drop when they realize that is your skin and not your makeup, right? So implement this, get some of this verbiage and stick it into your content, stick it into your material, make it a part so people in their mind can visualize and see these other people. They will see their friends saying this about them, and then they will want your product. Ow. So again, they don't want the dermaplane, they want those compliments that the result from your service. So take advantage of it. Do it. Be amazing. I'm telling you, use these words, and that's why I ask in there. Give me the words you've heard. Your clients have said that the compliments they've gotten from other people. Their friends have noticed this. Their family members have said this. Right? The husband was just floored by the results that even he booked an appointment. Ooh, powerful, right? Put that in your content, right? Hope this helps. Be amazing. It's Saturday, and I'm still hustling for you. Still, do I stop? Why don't I stop? Because I want to see you win. All right? Be amazing. Do it. Peace. Bye bye.